Take his 69 Mustang and do us a little smoke show. Smile for the camera, Chris.
Hi, everybody. Don't try this at home.
He's a trained professional. Let's see some smoke, Chris.